first chapter of class 8 mathematics. Okay, this is where we stopped in the last session. Represent these numbers on the number line 7 by 4 minus 5 by 6. This you can do on your own. Represent these also on the number line, that also you have to do on your own. Write 5 natural numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, how many you need? You need 5 rational numbers, right? So divide the space between 0 to 2 in 5. Okay, how can you divide in terms of 5? 2 is there, 1 means so 2 you have to write it as let me tell you, 2 you have to write it as 10 by 5. Yes. Okay, can't you write 2 as 10 by 5? Yes, you can write, obviously. Okay, so you can find 9 rational numbers in this way. But how many you need? You need only 5. So take any 5. Okay, that is one way of doing it. Okay, otherwise you can also express in terms of 4. 8 by 4. In this case you will be having almost 7 in between 0 to 2. Okay, that is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. Okay, 7 you can show between 0 and 2. Okay, 7 rational numbers. If you take only 3, then you will get only 2. Okay, find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. 10 rational numbers between these two. Both must have the same denominator, then only it will be easier to find. Convert minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 into the same denominator. This can be written as minus 4 by 10. Okay, other one can be written as 5 by 10. Okay, yeah, you can write 10 rational numbers. What are those 10? Minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. Okay, how many you got? You got only 4. How many you need? You need 10. 2 more required, right? Okay, no problem. Then multiply this into 2 on both numerator and denominator. You can double the count. Minus 8 by 20. This can be written as 10 by 20. Oh, sorry. Here 10, there 7. Almost 17 rational numbers you will get by this method. Name any 10 out of them. Minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, like that. Okay, find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Again you have to make the denominator equal. Okay, this thing 2 by 3 can be written as 10 by 15 by multiplying it with 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 4 by 5 can be written as this one can be written like that. 4 by 5 can be written as 12 by 15. Okay, but you got only 11 by 15. Only one rational number between them, right? How many you need? You need 5, right? Right. Multiply with 2, 20 by 30, 24 by 30. You got again 3. Multiply with 3, 30 here, 36 here. Okay, yes, multiplying it with 3, you get almost 30 by 45, almost 5. Let's see, 36 by 45. 36 by 45. Yes, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You got exactly 5 rational numbers between them. 31 by 45, 32 by 45, like that. Again you have to make them the equal denominator. Multiply with 3 on both numerator and denominator. You will get minus 9 by 6 here. Oh sorry, what about this? Multiply with 2, you will get 10 by 6 here. 10 by 6. How many you got? Already you got 9 plus 9, 18. 18 rational numbers. Minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, like that. You can write up to 9 by 6. Take any 5 out of the available. 9 plus 9, 18. Okay. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Again you have to make the denominator equal. So make this 2 by 4. Okay. 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Now you have to what you have to do? Multiply both numerator and denominator with some number. Which number is better? 4 is better. 4 by 16 is this. What about the other number? Other number becomes 8 by 16. How many you got? 5, 6, 7, only 3. So multiply it with 5. 5 by 20. This thing is 10 by 20. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9. You got only 4, right? So let's multiply it with 6. 6 by 24. 12 by 24. How many you got here this time? You got almost 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You got exactly 5 between these two. Okay. 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24. Okay. So this is the way you have to write them. Alright, 5 rational number greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2 means minus 1 also will come. Okay. 0 also will come. 1, 2, 3. These are all rational numbers. Can be expressed in rational form, right? That's why these are rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. First make the denominators equal, then you can find. Okay. This thing becomes 12 by 20. Right. 4 times. Here 5 times 15 by 20. 15 by 20. Now the denominators are equal. Okay. How many you need? You need 10 rational numbers. Okay. How many already there? 13, 14. Only 2 rational numbers are there. So multiply with 5. 4 will do. 4 means 48, 60. Yes, 4 will do. Okay. So multiply with 4 on both numerator and denominator. You will get 48 by 80. 1. The other one is 3 by 5 can be written as 48 by 80. 3 by 4. 15 4 60 by 80. 11 can be written in between these two. 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 up to 59. Okay. So what we have discussed so far is given in the summary. Okay, read the summary. Okay, that's it guys. This is the end of chapter 1. Let's discuss chapter 2 in the next session. Okay, thank you.